here we're at the industrial site of Bluestone Brewery. It's a collaborative project with Swansea University when we grow microalgae, green tubes here, using CO2 after fermentation of beer.
So we've been working with Swansea University since around 2021 when we started our project to capture waste CO2 from the brewing process and use algae to convert it into hopefully something usable.
But essentially the CO2 produced in fermentation, as a brewery that has a sustainable ethos, we sort of thought it was an extra thing we could try and do to scrub that CO2 up.
So in this project, we're using biocircular approach. So when we used a waste product after beer fermentation with the CO2 to create new product in algae cultivation process. So impact is reduce the pollution, first of all, create some new product process and service as well for the Bluestone company. So they an example for the other breweries as well, just to see how it could be a sustainably approach, not to release the CO2 to the atmosphere, but just create something else.
It's been a great partnership. Myself and my partner Tom both went to Swansea University, so it sort of made sense to go back that way and ask for some help and see if there was anybody there that might want to get involved with our idea.
There's something in it, and it's not about winning awards. It's about trying to do the best we can for the planet, sort of thing. But along the way, I guess it helps sell some beer as well.